We're in the produce markets here at Scousey Produce, one of the oldest produce wholesalers in South Australia. We're just here picking up some fresh local Adelaide Hills porcini mushrooms. So I only discovered porcini mushrooms in Italy, in Piemonte, years ago. So how do they manage to come to Australia?
They've been coming to Australia dry for the last 30 or 40 years. If you want to get a fresh porcini mushroom from Italy, you have to fly it in. The fresh ones, as you can see, are grown in the Adelaide Hills of Montague, which are tasty and very nice mushrooms.
The market's just about to wrap up. We're going to grab our porcinis and a few herbs and go home and cook up a porcini mushroom stall. Two porcini mushroom dishes today. First one is simply porcini mushrooms tossed through olive oil and a touch of butter, a hint of parsley, cracked pepper, salt, garlic, a little bit of chilli and some fresh thyme. Step two, very simple, fry pan, non-stick if you can, just cooks a little easier and theoretically doesn't stick. A nice big knob of butter, a really good slug of good quality olive oil. In go the porcinis and just have them sort of melt down a little bit. So it takes a little bit of time, but it's worth the wait. I've just been slowly cooking this for about 8 to 10 minutes. The oil, as you can see, has not caught, has not burnt, nor is the garlic, and the mushrooms are soft. Okay, so this is looking really good, it smells delicious, and we are ready to serve it up. Wow. Next dish is porcini mushrooms with penne pasta. I'm using a short pasta, a short penne pasta today. You can use fettuccine, you can use linguine, you can use whatever you like. It doesn't really matter. After about 30 or 40 seconds, when your sauce has started to simmer a little bit, it's time to add the porcinis. The porcini's absorbing the cream, the olive oil, the butter, the garlic. The pasta is cooking away, 11 minutes. So this pasta is al dente. We'll quickly strain it and add it to our sauce. Just one more little bit of flavour just before serving. I'm going to toss through some freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Salute to you and your family.